Montreal! Woohoo! Woo! We made it! Yes! Ah! Hello, friends. So this is our first stop, first en route. I've been going at it for how long? 3, 4, 5. An hour and a half, 2 hours. I need a cup of coffee. Look at the state of my car. It looks like I have a body in the car. Off we go. Off we go. 45 minutes behind schedule. Thanks, Tim Hortons. You're the best. Look at all the signs. It doesn't say stop anymore. It says arrête, arrête, stop in French. Let me give you a 2-second room tour. The bathroom. The bathroom. I love the shower head. Very cute. Very cute. I'm surprised it doesn't have a bathtub, but it's quite quaint. I like it. Oh my days. It's the disco ball for me. Let's keep it 100. It's the disco ball for me. Ooh, look at this radio. Like old school retro. Yes, yes, yes. We made it. Ha, 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 ha. We made it. We made it. We made it. Okay. And that's it. This is the room. It's really cute. Ooh, and I love that lamp. Like very chic. Très chic. Let's turn on the lamp. Oh man, I'm so tired. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, look at the lamp. Look at the bed. Oh my God. Listen. And then the views. Guys, I was made for this. I was made for this. I really was made for luxury. This is like, yes. All right. I need to go get my bags and get some dinner or food and then start exploring the neighborhood and take a shower and everything that needs to get done when you first get to your room. 6 hours, 6-hour drive because of stupid Tim Hortons, 45 minutes, plus some traffic. Man, I should have gotten here in 4 hours. I would have gunned for 4 hours. Anyway, let's explore Montreal together, shall we? Look at all these people out. Like, literally, people are living their best life out here in these Montreal streets. And this is a Monday night. Oh my God, did I mention that it is literally Monday night? Today is Monday night in the summer, and people are out like it's a Saturday night. That's wild. Wild. Okay, we're gonna explore. I'm looking for dinner, and then yes. So first look of Montreal, superb. How are you? Are you well? Are you good? Oh, let me show you the view now that it's daytime. Look at this view. Look at this view. Oh my goodness, Montreal is so cute. It's just beautiful. So the plan for today is we're going to go to Montreal. So we are in Montreal. We're gonna go to Montreal. So it's like a hike and it gives you beautiful views of the city. I remember I went there many years ago and it was so beautiful and I don't remember what it looks like anymore, so I want to go again. So we're gonna go there to Montreal and it's about, I think it's like a 30 or 40 minute walk to get there, which is perfect because then we get to explore the city. So that's our plan for today, and then we're gonna get really good food and just walk around and really see the city, see downtown, hang out, find a place to eat, have some drinks, blah blah blah, you know, all the good stuff. Today is the chill day. Tomorrow I have 2 booked activities. gonna be equally good. Okay, let's go. Enough of me talking. So I'm back to St. Catherine Street, and here's their menu. I'm leaning towards this one, Misto di Mari. So let me show you. So it's here. So Misto di Mari, this is what I want. I'm gonna try. I'm really hungry. I hope they serve fast, but I walked a lot since the hotel, and here I am. It's just so beautiful, and to hear people speaking French is like a whole life. Bonjour, ça va? Oui, ça va, merci, excusez-moi. I'm like, ah, sophistication. But I need to eat because I'm getting hangry. Oh my days, look at this goodness. Look at this life. Come on, somebody. Oh yeah, friends. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I see it. Yes. I see you, girls. Boys and girls. I see it. Oh my goodness. Yes, I see the lookout, you guys. Oh, it's so pretty. Should I give you a 360 view? I'm gonna stand right in the middle. I'm gonna be hella obnoxious. Oh my days. Okay, ready? Here we go. 360, another one. I'm gonna get dizzy. Woo! Oh my days. Oh my God, Becky. Look at her view. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh. Life is just amazing, you know. Ooh, it's the little things in life that make me this happy. Oh, this is ridiculously cute. I love it.